Zip up the doors and windows, leaving a small gap for ventilation. Remove the shoe bag and then store them for packing. First, find the vent valve of the air column. To deflate the air column, unfasten the webbing from the 4 buckles. Move the tent from the roof to the ground. First, find the vent valve of the air column to deflate the air column. Fold the tent flat to help deflate. If necessary, an electric air pump can also be used to deflate. Fold the tent to the right size, as shown in the video. Tie the folded tent with webbings. Pack the tent body, ladder, repair kit for weddings, pump, and shoe bag into the bag. Close the outer packaging and complete the product storage.